Okay, redid them. Kind of a pearly mauve, and then I put some silver over the top. Got some on my skin there, I guess. It's peeling up. Thumb. Fingers. Pinky, pinky, pinky. Pretty ring. Not too bad for an amateur, I guess. Okay, I still have red ink on my finger. It won't come off. That's the diamond oxblood red ink. The silver sparkle and the mauve is gelatin, and then the rest is Jadone for the base and top coat. I'll have to see what that is on my finger to peel it off, I guess. I got boo boo. I hit it with the e-file thingy. My wedding rings. This ring always makes my finger look dirty because this half of it here is copper and this half is silver. But copper always turns me colors. So I always have dirt, but it's not. It's where the copper's turning me colors. I don't know, maybe I should have sealed the ends more. I don't know. Give me advice if you think that you see something that I can fix. This is only like the second time. This is the first time that I did a film myself. I mean, I've colored them before, but this is my first film, so let me know.